There's something, magical about digging your hands into dark, crumbly, living soil, the kind that smells like earth after rain and seems to make everything grow faster and greener. But here's the secret. You don't need expensive fertilizers or fancy compost to create it. Some of the most powerful soil-transforming ingredients are already sitting in your pantry. These simple kitchen staples can breathe new life into tired dirt, feeding microbes, attracting worms, and rebuilding the very structure of your soil from the ground up. Welcome back to Crop Corner. Today we're diving into 7 pantry items that can literally turn ordinary soil into black soil, the kind gardeners dream about. And the best part? You can start using them today. Used coffee grounds are far more than kitchen waste. They're rich in nitrogen, one of the essential nutrients for lush, leafy plant growth. When added to your garden, coffee grounds help improve soil texture, retain moisture, and most importantly, boost microbial activity. To use them effectively, spread half a cup of used coffee grounds per square foot of garden soil and lightly rake it in to prevent clumping. Over time, earthworms are drawn to the scent and texture, helping to aerate your beds naturally. As the grounds decompose, they release nitrogen slowly, enriching the soil and giving your plants a consistent source of nourishment. For a quick microbial jumpstart, you can even steep the grounds in water overnight. 1 cup of used grounds per gallon of water, and use it as a liquid fertilizer the next morning. It's honestly an instant energy drink for your soil. Every gardener knows the heartbreak of blossom end rot in tomatoes or peppers, that black sunken patch caused by calcium deficiency. Eggshells are your secret weapon here. When crushed finely, they provide a slow-release source of calcium that keeps your plants strong and balanced. Collect and rinse your eggshells, let them dry, and crush them into small flakes or powder. Mix a handful per plant into the top 2 inches of soil every few weeks. This steady release of calcium fortifies your plants from root to fruit. There's a bonus too. The rough texture of crushed shells deters slugs and snails. When scattered around tender seedlings, they act as a natural barrier that keeps pests away without chemicals. Pair eggshells with compost to accelerate their breakdown and make nutrients more readily available. It might sound strange, but cooked rice can be a game changer for soil health. The carbohydrates in rice act as food for beneficial microbes, encouraging rapid multiplication and organic matter decomposition. Simply spread a 1/4 cup of cooked rice per square foot, then cover it lightly with soil or mulch. This step is important. It prevents pests from being attracted to the rice. Within a week or two, microbes begin breaking it down, releasing nutrients that make your soil richer and more friable. Apply it every 7 to 10 days during active growing seasons. This simple microbial feast improves soil structure and boosts nutrient cycling faster than many commercial inoculants. Don't toss those orange or lemon peels. Citrus peels are loaded with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients essential for healthy plant growth. Their mild acidity can also help balance alkaline soils, which is particularly beneficial if your soil tends to be chalky or hard. To use, chop the peels finely and bury them 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. Over time, they'll decompose, releasing nutrients slowly into the root zone. You can also blend citrus peels with water, 1 cup chopped peels per liter of water, and pour it around plants as a mild nutrient tonic. Just remember to cover fresh peels well to prevent fruit flies. This simple practice not only recycles waste but recharges your soil with essential minerals and a fresh burst of microbial energy. Here's a surprising one. Plain table sugar can spark a microbial explosion. When dissolved in water, sugar acts as a quick energy source for beneficial soil organisms, helping them multiply rapidly and break down organic matter faster. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1 cup of water, then lightly sprinkle the solution over compost piles or garden beds. It's especially useful when dealing with woody material or cardboard mulch, which typically decompose slowly. Use this trick once every 2 weeks, and watch your compost heat up and transform into rich humus faster than ever. But be careful, too much sugar can reduce oxygen levels temporarily, so moderation is key. Those potato peels you throw away are actually pure gold for your garden. They're packed with potassium, one of the key nutrients that support strong stems, vibrant foliage, and improved flowering. But their real magic lies in how they attract earthworms. Chop your peels into small pieces and bury them lightly into the topsoil. Worms will quickly find and digest them, leaving behind nutrient-rich castings, nature's most powerful fertilizer. Over time, this process improves aeration, drainage, and nutrient availability in compact or clay-heavy soils. If you compost, adding potato peels speeds up microbial activity, turning your pile into dark, fluffy soil conditioner. Baking soda, when used carefully, can help neutralize overly acidic garden soil. This adjustment creates a more balanced environment for many vegetables and herbs that prefer a neutral pH. To apply, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda per square foot into the topsoil of acidic patches and water thoroughly. You can also dissolve 1 teaspoon in 1 liter of water and use it as a gentle soil drench. Be cautious not to overdo it. Too much can disrupt the microbial community. Use sparingly and test your soil's pH every few weeks if possible. When you combine these simple ingredients, coffee grounds, eggshells, rice, citrus peels, sugar, potato peels, and baking soda, you're not just adding nutrients, you're building an entire living ecosystem beneath your feet. Start by mixing coffee grounds, eggshells, and potato peels into your beds. Add citrus and rice to your compost for microbial diversity, then activate everything with a splash of sugar water. Within a few weeks, you'll notice your soil becoming darker, softer, and teeming with life. The beauty of this method is that it costs nothing extra. You're simply recycling what you already have, creating sustainable, nutrient-dense soil without relying on chemical fertilizers. Healthy soil is the foundation of every thriving garden. By feeding it with everyday pantry ingredients, you're not just growing plants, you're growing life itself. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Crop Corner for more no-nonsense, science-backed gardening insights. Share this guide with your fellow gardeners, and let's keep turning kitchen scraps into black soil gold, one handful at a time.